Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy wooden bookshelf designs, stylish rack designs, shelf designs, new ideas, new color combination contrasts with wood. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy wooden bookshelf designs, stylish book rack ideas, new designs, new ideas, new projects. Those who love such type of book rack designs, if you want to buy these stylish and beautiful bookshelf designs, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. You can easily make these very beautiful and trendy stylish wooden rack designs and shelf designs if you know woodworking. Easy to make, beautiful and trendy stylish woodworking ideas, stylish woodworking projects you can see in this my video. You can visit my channel and see more collection about wood. Fantastic ideas. Every design is different one another. Every design is beautiful and trendy. Mind-blowing designs and ideas you can see in this my video. Top designer ideas you can see. Please friends, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way you never miss my video in my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you, so please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video. And also give the feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video? How was the designs of beautiful and trendy, beautiful book rack designs, bookshelf designs? Every type of rack and shelves you can see in this my video. Give the feedback in the comment section about my collection. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.